quick and crispy vegetable fritters that come together in minutes and pair perfectly with your favorite dish. You just need 20 to 30 minutes and some basic ingredients to have the easiest and tastiest way to eat your veggies. Hello viewers, myself Subarna. Welcome to Simple Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, take boiled and grated potato into a bowl. I have 3 potatoes. Into this, add 1 grated carrot, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, chopped green chilies according to your taste, add 1/3 cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now add salt to your taste, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of corn flour. You can also skip the garlic. Now mix them well. You can add more vegetables what you have like cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, zucchini, whatever you like. You can see all the ingredients are combined well with the potato. Now take a spoonful of mixture into your palm. Now little squeeze them and roll it. Just follow what I'm doing. I'm giving them little finger-like shape. You can make them little bigger or smaller as per your choice. You can also give it a pat-like shape. If you think that the mixture is sticking on your palm, then just sprinkle little corn flour or normal flour. Now into a pan, heat some oil. I'm shallow frying them. Most important thing, don't deep fry these fritters. If you mistakenly deep fry them, they will drain completely. Fry them into little batches. Flip them side by side and fry them to golden brown. It would take almost 6 minutes to fry on medium heat. The best part about these fritters is that what you decide to put in them is really just determined by what you already have in your kitchen. Okay, so now I am taking them out from the pan. These vegetable fritters are hot, crisp and tasty. I'm sure you will guys definitely love this recipe. Have these yummy vegetables with your favorite dish. That's it for today's video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.